Hi guys, in this class I will discuss you about what is SEO. It is first lecture. In the previous lecture I shared some outline that which topic I discussed in this a mini course about SEO. This course is included in the web designing course. When you get a web designing course, you will get this short course also about SEO. You will be clear each and everything concept about SEO. What is SEO? SEO for basically search engine optimization. So you have to optimize your website that easily indexed or easily crawled in the search engine. When you create a website, search engine boots or crawler crawl your website web page, and after crawling they index your page in their database. In the next, get traffic. SEO is the techniques or method to get traffic, unpaid traffic. It is a unpaid technique, so you do not need to pay to any company or to search engine to rank your website. This technique is full of free of cost. You do not need to pay. This is a unpaid techniques to get traffic. So visibility in the search engine, when anyone search your website or any keyword on the search engine result page, your website should be visible. So this is a technique. This is a refer to SEO. To get first page on the search engine result page, you can see that when you search anything else on the Google, you get millions of website web page in millisecond. So you can get first page on the search engine result page. That page is a SERP means search engine result page. So using SEO you can get first page on the search engine result page. Focus quality and quantity. So you have to provide a good quality. Quantity means good in number of your web page. More content you have to provide to your user. That will be or should be quality. In simple word, what is SEO? SEO is a way to get relevant traffic for your good quality website content. SEO is a way to satisfy the user as well as search engine. Don't target only user or only search engine. You have to target both. Your website should be liked by search engine as well as user. So this was a basic introduction of SEO. In the next I will share a about a different process of SEO that will be clear each and everything. Anyhow, if you have any question, any problem, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.